Can I activate my Metro SIM card in a phone from a different carrier?
Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing a common question many mobile users have. Can I activate my Metro SIM card in a phone from a different carrier? By the end of this video, you'll be armed with all the knowledge you need to successfully use your Metro SIM card in a different carrier's phone.
Understanding SIM card compatibility.
The first thing we need to understand is how SIM card compatibility works. Compatibility is primarily based on two things: the network type, GSM versus CDMA, and the device's unlock status. Metro by T-Mobile, formerly Metro PCS, operates on a GSM network. This means that if the phone from the different carrier is also GSM-based and unlocked, you should be able to use your Metro SIM card in it. However, if the phone operates on a CDMA network, such as those from Verizon or Sprint, compatibility might be a challenge unless the phone is a world phone or dual network phone.
Checking if the phone is unlocked.
The next crucial step is to check if the phone is unlocked. An unlocked phone allows you to switch between different carriers using the same device. If the phone is locked, it will not recognize your Metro SIM card. You can verify this by simply inserting your SIM card into the phone and checking if it recognizes the network. If it doesn't, you may need to have the phone unlocked first.
Activating your Metro SIM card.
Once you've confirmed compatibility and unlock status, the final step is to activate your Metro SIM card in the new phone. Here are the steps to do so. 1. Insert your Metro SIM card into the new phone. 2. Power on the device and ensure it recognizes the SIM card. 3. Go to the Metro by T-Mobile activation website. Details will be provided with your SIM card, and follow the steps to activate your SIM card. 4. After completing the process, restart your device for the changes to take effect. Please note that you might need the IMEI number of your new device during the activation process, which you can usually find in your device's settings under About Phone. There you have it. With these steps, you should be able to activate your Metro SIM card in a different carrier's phone. Remember, the key points are to ensure the device is GSM compatible and unlocked. If you run into any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to Metro's customer service for help. We hope this video has been helpful and thanks for watching.